Kits Crows.
Bye. Bye. Ooh. Bye. I did not expect it to be sunny. We've had gray clouds. Oh, it's bright too. Okay. Hey, there's some chickens. Hey, you. Whoop, blurry. It's kind of muggy out now. Now that the sun's out and it's getting warm. Yeah, it's a muggy heat today. I see ya. Just come over here. Hey, there you are. Good. Save me some walking. I wanted to cut through the parking lot. One sec. I'm getting your treat. Alright, there you go. I don't know if he has any buddies around. I only saw and heard the one. You gonna get it? Oh, hello. Well, cool. I'll see you guys later. I gotta go. Hey. Did you want an extra treat? Oh. Hey. Hey guys. One second. I'll leave a good treat there for you. Okay. Yeah. Yum. What about you? Okay. Have fun, guys. I gotta get to work. Light. There we go. Night light. Away.
Awning away. You're now free to exit.
Computer's off. We can go. Yay. Go. Alright, home free now. It still feels muggy from all the rain, but at least it's cooler. It's actually pretty okay. Ooh. Hi! What's up? I just got off work. I guess you need a treat. Let's put it on the dirt here so you can see it easy. There. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna head home now. I hope you get it. I gotta get going. They found me right away. Hey. All right. Happy friend. Good. Hey, chickens. Hey, there's that Silky. Okay, well, I'm gonna go make some dinner. I'll see you girls later. Hey. Oh, hello, doggie.
Apparently saying hi to you.
What's its name?
Cooper.
Cooper. Oh, hello.
He's a very friendly boy.
Yeah.
He's very friendly. No jumps.
see
No,
that.
stay off. Stay off. Come on, buddy.
Cooper, you say?
Cooper.
Very cute. Well, you have a nice evening.
Thank you, too.
Oh, I make little videos. In case you're wondering why I have a camera, I just record things for my mama, just for funsies, because she's disabled. She can't get out anymore, so I got a
Yeah.
little YouTube channel.
Oh, neat.
In case you're curious what I get up to.
Sure. I will check it out.
Nothing big. It's just me visiting with neighborhood animals and saying hi to them.
Interesting. Okay.
She misses getting out, and she loves the neighborhood.
Who does?
My
Your
mom, yeah.
Yeah, but you can't too much anymore. or at
No,
all?
not at all.
That's nice. That's really nice of you. Yeah, I would be so unhappy if I couldn't be outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's hard. Okay.
You have a good one.
Bye-bye!
Bye.